Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So I found some comments on my previous videos that were all about cello highlighters. You wanted me to talk about them and review them. So I purchased some other highlighters as well that were also equally affordable. And in this video, I'm going to swatch them and talk about my favorite out of all of these 4 highlighters. The MRP of all of these highlighters is 100 rupees, but if you buy them from Amazon, you will get some discount. So I will provide all the links in the description box. And to show you the swatches of these highlighters, I'm going to use this notebook, which is a very simple notebook and the paper quality is pretty thin. So let's start with Camlin highlighters. And I love the brand Camlin. Whatever little products I have purchased from this brand, all of them have been amazing. Now this is a pack of 5 highlighters and I really love the packaging of these highlighters. These are actually pretty unique because all other highlighters look the same, but this one is pretty different. As you can see, for 100 rupee highlighter pack. So basically for every single highlighter you are only paying 20 rupees and the packaging is absolutely amazing. And the moment you hold the highlighter pen in your hand, you can feel the quality. It's really good and very sturdy. So now I'll show you all the swatches of these highlighters and then I'll show you if the highlighters will blot the paper or not. So these are all the colors, and as you can see that the green one blots the paper, but other than that all other colors are absolutely fine. Next we have the Luxor Glowlighter or Glowlighter. Please let me know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. Now out of all the highlighters, I didn't like the packaging of this one as much as the other highlighters. But the best part about these highlighters is how smooth they are. Like, these highlighters are supremely smooth. When you are highlighting anything, these highlighters will just glide on. And I loved that. Usually what happens is that after using a highlighter for some time, they tend to get smooth. But this one was smooth from the very beginning and that is pretty uncommon. Other highlighters are also smooth, but this one is just very different. The smoothness is absolutely amazing. Anyway, so now let me show you the swatches. So these are all the colors and as you can see that it blots a little on the edges, but other than that it's perfect. Alright, so now finally let's talk about the most highly requested highlighter, and these are the cello highlighters and I'm going to talk about them now. So first of all, I want to talk about the color scheme of these highlighters. Like, the colors are pretty uncommon. For example, this peach color, I think this is peach, and the other purple color, these colors are very uncommon. I have not found them in any other highlighter pack. So that's something interesting. And these highlighters are also really smooth, not as smooth as the Luxor ones, but I feel like after using these for a while they will get just as smooth. Now the best part is that it is almost invisible. Like, you cannot even tell if you have highlighted anything. That's the best part. And finally we have the Faber-Castell text liners. Out of all the highlighters, I feel like the packaging of the Faber-Castell one is the most premium because it comes in this cardboard box and it looks really nice. And the packaging of the highlighter itself is also pretty standard and good, so that's something I appreciate. And And I've talked about this thing before as well, that the tip of these highlighters is pretty different. You get two kinds of tips in the one highlighter, so that's really good. And these are the swatches. Now out of all the colors, the orange and pink one blots, whereas the other ones are perfect, so go for neon yellow, blue or green. So we have our clear winner, and that is the Cello highlighters. These highlighters are amazing, do not blot the paper, have the best color scheme, and they are just the best out of all of them. So yes, this was the video for you guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.